Got the HCK 2-in-1 Kegerator. The top of it. The tap goes here. You have the handle, the door, self-closing. There's a light, digital thermostat for setting. Lock the setting. 3 removable shelves. Self-defrosting. Very good light. It will hold 96 12-ounce cans of beer and a keg if you take the 3 racks out. Comes with caster wheels. Easy to roll around. Easy to store. Very good value for your money. You get 2 keys because it locks. Instruction manual on how to. Tank wrench. Tap screws and gasket. 2 taps. Tap hose. CO2 bottle. You get the gauges for the bottle. High pressure hose. Permanent leg stands that are adjustable. I put the casters on. Switch your door from left to right with the simple change of that hinge. Extra bolts. High pressure keg nozzle to the tap with the clamps. Very good bargain for your money. Makes a great gift and a wonderful addition to your refrigerating accessory.